Export is the total of goods and services a country sells abroad. For example, when cars, clothing, electronics, or food produced in the USA are sent to another country, this process is called export. In other words, it's the sale of something produced in the USA to a customer in another country. Imagine an American company wants to sell electronics made in the USA to Germany. The company ships these devices to a store in Germany, and people in Germany buy them. In this case, the USA is selling the products it made to Germany and earning money from it. This is very beneficial for the US economy because selling goods abroad brings money into the country. So, when a country sells goods abroad, it not only increases its earnings, but it also promotes its products in other places and grows its trade volume. Exporting goods can also increase a country's power and influence in the international market. Additionally, these sales allow local businesses to produce more, employ more people, and overall, grow the national economy. For example, an American textile company can sell T-shirts produced in the USA to countries like Russia, Japan, or Brazil. In this case, the USA earns money and increases its production capacity. Furthermore, these types of exports also increase the USA's competitive power in the global market.